If you're choosing between Fedora Silverblue and Fedora Workstation, this isn't just a feature comparison. It's a completely different philosophy of how an operating system should work. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Fedora Silverblue takes a completely different approach. It's an immutable OS, meaning the core system is read-only and updated as a whole image instead of individual packages. Apps are mainly installed via Flatpak or containers, keeping them isolated from the system. This makes it far more stable and secure, since nothing can easily break the core OS. It also allows instant rollback if an update fails, which is a huge advantage. But there's a trade-off. Silverblue is less flexible. You can't just install anything directly onto the system like you would on Workstation. You'll need to use tools like containers or Flatpak, which can feel limiting or unfamiliar, especially for beginners. Fedora Workstation is a traditional Linux desktop experience. You install apps directly onto the system using DNF, modify system files freely, and customize everything as you like. It's flexible, familiar, and works the way most Linux users expect. You can install software instantly, tweak configs, and build your system however you want. The downside is that this flexibility can sometimes lead to instability, dependency issues, or system breakage if something goes wrong. So the real difference is this. Workstation gives you full control, while Silverblue gives you stability and safety. Choose Fedora Workstation if you want a familiar Linux experience, full customization, and direct control over your system. Choose Fedora Silverblue if you want maximum stability, better security, and a modern container-based workflow. Bottom line, Fedora Workstation is better for flexibility and everyday use, while Fedora Silverblue is better for stability, security, and future-proof workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.